Greetings! Welcome to the channel. While I was recording this tutorial, my computer kept freezing, so I couldn't capture Biela.dev in action. But what I can show you is even more powerful. The exact messed up already. The exact prompt I use, the strategic chat that led to the build, and the final result. This is how you turn a YouTube channel into a cinematic auto-updating showcase without writing a single line of code. I'm introducing Biela.dev. Biela.dev is an AI agent super extraordinaire. It can build many things, as you shall see. And the cool thing about Biela.dev is before you build, you can plan and strategize with it. Let it know what you want, and it's going to ask you a series of questions to really get in deep into what you want, how you want it structured. If it's a different type of site, like for marketing, it's going to ask you your marketing point of view, a whole bunch of things. Okay, and it allows you to do all of that without using any of your tokens. Now, with Biela, you get Claude 4 as your LLM, large language model. That's standard, even on the free plan. And this is their most powerful for premium websites. Okay, now you also have access to GLM 4.5, and as you see, the performance is very good and it's cost efficient versus Claude. All right, so you would use fewer tokens for your build. And if you upgrade, you can get Gemini 2.5 Pro. Okay, that's with the Creator Plus package. And also with the Creator Plus package or greater, you can get Gemini 2.5 Flash. All right, but to be able to get the best one in the freebie is great. Now also when you join Biela.dev and you join their Discord and Telegram communities, you receive 2 million free tokens for each of them. So that's going to be a total of 4 million. And why are you not working the way I want you to? Okay, and you'll also receive 200,000 tokens per day, even on the free plan, so you can build to your heart's content without having to dig into your pocket. Now, you also have extended thinking, which uses more resources, and when it's disabled, it won't think as deep. I'm not doing anything with it, so I'm not worried about it. You can even use voice to speak to it, and you can select your language. As you can see, these are what they have now, but more will be coming. And I haven't been able to figure out what that does. Okay, so as I said, my computer wanted to freeze on me because it knew I was making a video. It was misbehaving like bad children when you tell them to stay in the room and shut up and don't make any noise, but they make all kinds of noise and come out of the room when you have company. So my computer was doing that. But even though it was freezing and wouldn't cooperate, Biela still went on with the build. And this is everything that took place while the build was going on. And you weren't supposed to do that. But there's a preview of the website that it built for me. We're going to keep rolling. All right. And so this is everything that took place, even the errors. I have to say it made a lot of errors. Okay, because it kept duplicating stuff in the header and the footer. And that ate up a lot of my tokens. All right. But this is the prompt that I use. Design a minimalist, mobile-friendly site that displays my YouTube videos in a grid layout with autoplay. It didn't do the autoplay, but that's fine. It'll load faster without that. Categories and search, similar to a video on demand interface. And you know the interface. The site should update automatically whenever new videos are published to my YouTube channel. And there's my YouTube handle. And I also asked it to include in the footer built by Biela.dev and link to my affiliate link. They do have an affiliate program. Okay, and these were the colors I asked it to use. and for the most part it carried it out after I told it it did not. So like I said, I had to go in and tell it to fix a lot of things, but it did fix them. Okay, and this is the end result. Okay, premium video showcase. I should have told it to put this here. Okay, because this is the name of my channel, as you know, the TheKnowPro channel. All right, and the cool thing about it is it updates automatically. So when you're watching this video, you will see this video will be the newest one here once I get it uploaded. All right, as you can see right now, there's 74 videos. So when I upload this, there'll be 75. I have a whopping 48 subscribers and a little over 2,000 views. Okay, and here's all the videos that I've ever done on YouTube are here, and I even have it put in more videos, so it will load the next set. I believe there are 12. Okay, and it'll keep going until we get all the way to the end. And I also had it put the social media icons and links to my social media so it can be shared. This one is for Tangled Social, and Tangled Social is a social media network that pays you to post, comment, like, and share, and more. And they pay you in Millix. There'll be a link in the description about that as well. And here's my built with Biela.dev. It has my affiliate link, so I get credit for it. Anyone who signs up, ta-da, there it is. And the link will be in the description below. Okay, as you see, and I have it to open everything in a new tab. That way the site you're on remains. You don't have, it won't just change it on you. I don't like when people build their sites like that, because if you have a list of things that you want to look at, like if you're looking at a listicle site, you'll want to go back. If you don't remember to right click and open in a new tab, it's just going to open the page right there that you're on and take you away from where you are. But I have them open in a new tab. That's YouTube. As you see, it put the old icon for what is now X. It put the old Twitter, but that's okay. I'll let that slide. And we've got good old Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Tangled. I'm not on TikTok, so I didn't have it go there. If I ever get on there, I'll do it, but I'm not a TikToker. All right, and this is Tangled Social. I'll give you a brief look. Like I say, they pay you for posting, sharing, liking, and no, I don't want notifications. And every post that goes on Tangled is changed.
Da vingança de quem te fez mal.
I wonder if you can hear that in the
Talvez
background.
você esteja errado.
All right, let's get him off of there. All right, now, I don't know if you saw that, but with each post that you view, you automatically pay them 1,000 Millix. Okay, somebody put a post up here about Tangled and the Millix. That's the cryptocurrency they pay you in. Now, whenever you like, with your reactions, you pay them, they get 1,000. Let me do it on one where you can see. As you're watching here, everybody has a video. You'll give them each member 1,000 Millix. That one went there. This will go to 10,000. Okay. And so on and so. All right. And of course, you get paid when you post as well. And when, again, people like and share your post, you get paid as well. Now, as I said, this is the site that it built. And with even put a menu up here. Home is where it is, but it disappears. Oh, there we go. This will take you down to the videos, and this is the about. Okay, so it just summarized what I had in there. I already had these emojis, so it used them, which was pretty cool. And It has a subscribe on YouTube. That'll take you to my YouTube channel. Again, like so. And of course, my computer wants to be slow because it knows I'm making a video. There we go. I didn't mean to frighten you. Let me get that off the screen. There might be children in the room. And it even, I didn't ask it to, but it did. It put a link to Tangled Social, which is pretty cool. Okay. And so that's basically it for Biela.dev. I'm really sorry I couldn't show it to you in action, but like I said, my computer wanted to be a bad child and misbehave, and it kept freezing while in the process of the build. But Biela kept on building, and you see the end result of what it did. And you know, tech hiccups happen, but strategy still converts. And Biela.dev built a minimalist, mobile-friendly video-on-demand site that updates automatically and reflects my brand. Now, if you want to build one for yourself, or everything starts with the right prompt. So you can build it yourself with Biela. The link will be in the description below. And if you want more faceless strategies and creator tools that scale, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more from TheKnowPro. And in dedication to my mindfulness channel, shameless post and plug, that's what some of these videos are, and my computer wants to go slow. Please remember to stay mindful. Thank you for watching. Now it shows it, but there we go. Again, thank you for watching.